Good day, Mr. Bural. Thank you for applying for a part-time position at the Commission of Elections. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good day. I am Odlan Tibural, a first-year computer engineering student at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. I am passionate about technology and public services. I had the opportunity to work with Comelec during my senior high school work immersion, which gave me the real-world experience in organizing election documents and assisting voters. That experience inspired me to apply again and continue contributing to the democratic process.
Okay, that's good to hear. Can you tell us more about your experience during the previous election?
Uh, during my during my immersion at Comelec, I was assigned as an election support staff. I helped manage voter assistance, organize and prepare documents, and ensure that the polling station were orderly. I also collaborated with other staff and observed how important professionalism and attention to detail are during elections. It was a valuable learning experience that developed my communication, organization, and teamwork skills.
Okay. What skills or strengths do you believe that you can contribute to our office?
Uh, I believe that I am very organized and detail oriented. I take pride in completing tasks properly and on time. I am also a good communicator, especially in formal and written communication. I've worked well with others, and I'm always eager to learn more. Because of my computer engineering background, I am also familiar with basic office tools like Microsoft Word, Excel, and even some programming, which I believe could be helpful in documenting or data encoding tasks.
Given that you are having a challenge, how do you handle pressure or working under these time constraints, especially during election season?
I First of all, I try to stay calm and focus on completing one task at a time. During my previous work with Comelec, I learned how to prioritize tasks, especially during peak hours. I also ask questions when I'm unsure, because I believe that asking for help is better than making mistakes. And I also believe reliable and flexible enough to adjust when the workload gets heavier.
That's very good. So one last question. Why do you want to work with Comelec again?
Uh, I enjoyed the sense of purpose and responsibility during my first experience. It felt good to be part of something important like the elections. I believe Comelec is a great place to learn discipline, integrity, and service to the community. I also want to continue gaining real-world experience while studying, and I believe this role fits both my values and goals.
That's great. Now, do you have any question for us?
Yes. May I ask if there will be opportunities for further involvement beyond seasons? And would there be training or orientation for volunteers and part-time?
You'll know when you get the chat. Thank you, Mr. Boral. We'll be in touch soon.
Thank you
Do you
very
have
much.
anything to say?
Thank you very much for the opportunity. I look forward to the possibility of working with Comelec again and serving the public to the best of my ability.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.